on, guys? Rodrigo here, Breakfast Club CTG. We back in this beat. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do GHD sit-ups without a GHD, basically creating your own GHD machine. Today I'm going to keep it short and simple and to the point. This is all going to be a part of my new workout at home series, just bringing you guys quick tips, quick exercises, quick movements, quick DIY little hacks that you guys can incorporate in your guys' workout routines at home, your garage gyms, and honestly they even translate into the gym, so I hope you guys take value from this. Today's episode is going to be all about GHD sit-ups. Now, if you're not sure what GHD means or what a GHD machine is, what a GHD sit-up exactly is, basically a GHD is the name of the machine that these sit-ups originated on. It's called a glute ham developer machine. It's all meant for like your glutes, your hamstrings, and all of that, but you can also do a sit-up in their amazing core builders. This is one of the most common sit-ups that you'll see in CrossFit and functional fitness, and it is responsible for many cases of rhabdo in new people, in people just starting out CrossFit or even veterans. They just go too crazy on these types of sit-ups. But today I'm going to be showing you a DIY at-home version that you guys can try out whenever a workout calls for GHD sit-ups. If you don't have a GHD, no problem. All you need is a bench. Now, if you don't have a bench, then honestly just substitute your GHD sit-ups for either just butterfly sit-ups, toes to bar, leg raise, just some sort of core taxer along those lines. If you do have a bench, that's all you're going to need, guys. I have an adjustable incline bench. It goes to multiple different stages. But one of these benches is not necessary. All you need is just your regular flat bench, the most common kind that you guys see in CrossFit boxes, whatever. You can honestly pick up a normal flat bench at Walmart if you wanted to, Target if you wanted to. Just be careful, I don't know how sturdy those are. If you do have an adjustable bench though, one of the pros is that the bottom is adjustable. And for these GHD sit-ups, if you can adjust it up to the top, that's gonna be a great little piece so you can attach your toes to it and fling up. This thing is so simple to do, guys. Basically, all I do is I set myself up back here. Basically, my toes are gonna be where this part starts. So if you just have a flat bench going all the way up, the way I would position yourself is put your lower back to right here. So literally right here. So whenever I'm sitting, this is where you want your lower back. Right there. Lower back, honestly even a little bit further. Lower back right there, boom. Now, why I say that is because that's what I found to be the most comfortable position. These will be not so good, not so healthy for your back if you do them wrong, and if you do a ton of volume doing them wrong, it's gonna mess up your back. You guys don't want that. So do what I just showed you guys. Find that comfortable position where your lower back doesn't feel like it's tight or it has a ton of strain on it. All you want is just that nice like placement. Like your back is literally just gonna be resting there. Nothing's gonna be digging into your back. Your back's not gonna be like straining into the bench. It's not gonna be straining into the bench to get back up, but basically just lower back right here. Boom, I got my placement. Boom, like right there. It's literally all core. Next step is to attach your legs and just basically straddle your bench, guys. Right here, boom, under, boom, under. Now, if this wasn't adjustable and it was just normal, literally the same deal. So I'll even show you. All you would have to do is right there, boom. See that? Now, I'm not gonna go back because I don't have that type of bench, but literally that's all you would do. And whenever you go sit up, your quads are gonna be what flings you forward, just like the GHD, using a ton of core, a ton of quads and everything. So you're gonna be getting the same stimulus from a GHD setup. Now, let me show you in quick motion. Ready? Boom, got my feet adjusted. Lower back's good. Actually, let me scoot back a little bit more. Lower back's good, boom. Boom. Now, as you guys can hear, that's just because I'm using my quads to fling me up forward, and this thing is like, it's adjustable, so it's gonna get a little wobbly, etc., but it's not gonna get in the way of the GHD sit-up. Now, when I go back, I stretch, keeping that core tight. Nice stretch. Keeping it tight, flinging myself up with my quads, with my core, and boom. A ton of workouts lately have called for your GHD machine, and I found this online, this like substitute, and I thought I had to share it with you guys, especially today because I posted a swipe workout on my Instagram and it called for GHD sit-ups and I didn't have a GHD, and I threw it up on my swipe workout and I told everyone that I was gonna show you guys how to do this. But basically, simple as that, a GHD sit-up, all you need is a flat bench and you're good to go. Again, guys, I can't stress this enough, find that comfortable position to where your lower back sits right here and you can safely bend back and forth doing that normal GHD sit-up, guys. because once you find that comfortable position, you're gonna be safe, you're gonna be tight, and you're gonna be getting all the benefits of a normal GHD. Again, play with that, find that sweet spot for yourself. It doesn't really matter how tall you guys are, you guys can find a comfortable position on this. Find that, once you find that, then throw it in the workouts, guys. Honestly, it's only gonna take you maybe like 2 or 3 tries to find that comfortable position. Again, for me, lower back is literally right here, because literally lower back right here, you see that? See how like my lower back, almost like lower back just perfectly, it almost like is meant to be there. So just boom, boom, not training it at all, not hurting it, not feeling like it's digging in there. If you are feeling like strain, like something's digging there, try to scoot up and down the bench, find that sweet spot, guys. Nice little stretch, boom, 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 and you're good to go. Anyways, guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this episode of the Workout at Home series. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys found value, and I hope that next time GHD sit-ups pop up in your workouts that you guys can do them, that you guys can substitute it with this and actually get that GHD feel, guys. Anyways, if you guys like these types of videos, more to come, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. At least 2 new videos every week. You guys don't wanna miss it. As always, Breakfast Club CTG, we at this beach.